Alright guys, we are starting on our first definitive baseball case of the day. Box number 1, single box hit draft. Richard with the number 1 overall pick here in this box. Good luck to you. Hopefully this is a good case, guys. We can start the week off right with definitive baseball. Fingers crossed. Alright, that's a cool card on top. I like this. Actually, I think this might be the first inscription that we've actually seen. Alright, we'll begin with Trust in Yourself. Inscription Juan Soto. 13 of 25. For my Nationals. Next up is a 3 of 15 Michael Kopech autograph. Wrong side of sleeves. Alright, that's a nice one. Numbered 1 of 10. 1 of 10 framed autograph of Ichiro. Sweet. One of 10 Ichiro framed autograph. And we get another size top post. Followed by a dual autograph. Redemption. Ozzie Smith and Yadier Molina. Cool. Patch autograph number 3 of 10 is George Springer. George Springer, 3 of 10. Hall of Fame inscription 2010, Andre Dawson, 32 of 50. And our last two pieces, memorabilia. Paul Goldschmidt, number 2 of 20. And last piece is Chris Davis, number 13 of 15. All right, Richard, go ahead and draft away. Number 1 pick is all you.